hey, I trust you with this key. You're going to come in the morning and do your thing. Do you feel comfortable with that? He said, yeah. And he did such a great job. I've never asked for it back. I'll talk about Leonard first. He quickly grasped all the activities that he had to do. And it's kind of like a machine. He gets going and he just does all of his tasks and rarely has a question and doesn't say much, doesn't cause any problems, and does his job, does it very, very well. Daniel works more on the grill and on the line, and that's a very intense and speed-oriented job, and there's not a lot of people that can get it. In my experience, the employees that came through Goodwill are extremely reliable, dependable, honest, and they just want a job and they want to feel important. Currently interviewing at Goodwill on their premise. We're launching breakfast next month, and so we're in need of hiring additional employees, and so they're one of the sources that we go to bring on